Hello Taurus, welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you so much for being here today. Taurus, we're going to be talking about what's going on in your love life September 16th to the 30th. So a quick little announcement before we get started. Taurus, if you guys are interested in getting a love video just like this, or any other kind of readings like spirituality, spiritual gifts, life purpose, or just to check the current energy about someone that you're dealing with, guys, check out my shop. It's the link for that is down below in the description box. Find that link, hit that link, go to the shop, take advantage. Right now this weekend, Etsy's running a sale, so you can get $5 off, so take advantage of that, guys. It's really nice of them to do that. And so yeah, you guys, this is just the season for it, so check it out if you're interested. Now Taurus, also, if you guys are resonating or like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below, because the comments do help the channel. So if you can't support in another way, you can always support in that kind of way. That is always appreciated. Also, guys, subscribe. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe. All right. So Taurus, let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to look at what we always look at: how you feel and how they feel, how you see each other in this connection. If you want to go deeper, you want to explore more, you want to find out what's going on in your personal situation, that's why I recommend going to the shop to check that out. All right. So Taurus, during this time, the way you feel about this person, whoever they are, Taurus, I think you are expecting to spend time with them. That's what's coming up with you. For a lot of you guys, you want to be physically around. You want to be in their life. You want to be in their presence. Some of you want to be in their bed or in a bed with your person. Some of you want to really just lounge around with this person. And for a lot of you, this is going to be like your first time doing this. This is like a new person coming in. But I do feel like you really just want to be all with this person. That's all you know during the next 2 weeks, and that's all you want. You want your baby. That's what I'm getting right now. Really strong energy about you want your baby. So you really want, I feel, to go on a date with someone. Now, this could be a friendship, but they're still your baby, whoever they are to you, okay? There's some type of opportunity that you want to be able to date this person. This is definitely feeling like a person that you've never been around before physically for some of you, but I think you're expecting just something really nice. But what I can say that you should expect during the next 2 weeks for sure is that if this happens, expect a surprising reaction from this person when they're with you. There's something about you and this person being around each other, or talking to each other, or connecting with each other. There's something about that coming up where maybe they don't give you the reaction you thought that they were going to give you. Now, I'm not going to say what the reaction is, because it's going to be different for every Taurus out there, but it's going to be something different than what you thought. But whatever this is, I think that you're going to experience just this overwhelming amount of affection, like spicy. It's spice. It's like a lot of, it's hot. It's romantic. It's steamy. It's pressure. It's really some serious passion involved with this person, Taurus. So a lot of you guys are going to experience a lot of affection coming from this new person in your life. This seems like a connection or a tie to someone who may seem a bit shallow to you at first. Maybe in the past, Taurus, you could have felt like your person was a little shallow, or maybe you just thought that, right? It doesn't mean that it's always true, but it could be that you just thought maybe this person only wanted to date a person that looked a certain way, or a person that has certain things, or a person that, blah, 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 whatever you thought. I feel like this person's kind of proving you wrong when you really connect with them more. You're going to start seeing a little bit more that this person is going to start warming up to you. So the more you are spending time with them, or you go around them, or you talk to them, I'm definitely getting something about conversations and talking to them a lot, but more than anything is like this strong desire for you to physically be around them or touch them. So for a lot of you guys, whether it's on the phone or it's in face to face, whatever it is, this person is bringing you so much passionate love, energy, and so I feel like you're gonna get to know this person better. Overall, just expect a really safe connection with this person. Safe to talk to them, safe to trust them, safe to spend time with them, safe to love them, to understand them, to get to know them. Like whatever it is that your goal is with them is safe. And that's what the angels are guiding me to tell you. So this person and how they feel, this is someone who goes into this time frame feeling a little lonely or like bored with their everyday routine, everyday life kind of thing, but they're still like chill and relaxed. But this person is ready to explore like the many topics of your brain. They probably are going to have a lot of questions for you, but nothing like pressing questions, nothing weird. Like, you know, it's not going to be an interview, Taurus. It's just that they're so interested in you. That's what it is. So you may be wanting them to talk to you about certain things or to open up to you about certain things. But this has a lot to do with the reaction that I was talking about. They may come across in a different way than what you think they're going to. Maybe you guys have put it in your mind that this person may come at you in more of a shallow way. Like when you meet them or when you spend time with them, maybe you think that they just want to have sex with you. Or maybe you think that they just like you for what you have. Or maybe you think that they just like you for how you look. Something like that comes into your mind when you connect with them. But that is not going to be true. And the more you get to know them, you're going to start seeing the depths of them. And I think that they come across like this to you because they don't really want to talk much. They want to hear so many things from you. But I don't think that is making you like just have a full-blown conversation and blah, blah, blah. I think that is more about this person just being intrigued by you and wanting to know exactly how you feel about them from you, right? So that's what it is. But overall, I think that this person is going to be uplifting you and holding you in a high regard, Taurus. Whatever you're doing and whatever you have done, this person holds you at a high regard because I feel like it's something about your connection that's very special together. This person is going to be demonstrating love, peace, and solitude with you. This definitely is like some type of new flame, a new love, a new interest, someone that you are going to be meeting for the first time in person. Like this could be an online relationship that you guys started and now you're finally connecting physically, or this could be a long distance connection and now you're coming together. Like it's just something about this is like that moment when you guys actually get to do all the things that you've been wanting to do with each other, that kind of thing. So I feel like you're gonna this person's gonna be feeling like you have a really quirky sense of humor. They're gonna actually love your sense of humor. One of you guys in the connection will love the way the other person laughs. I'm getting that specifically. Whatever you're gonna be doing, Taurus, to this person, they're gonna like keep wanting to come back. And I'm gonna leave that right there. Now, how you both see each other during this time. For you, Taurus, is something about you seeing this person being in a totally new place, metaphorically or spiritually or relational. It could be about the relationship side of things, it could be emotional. Whatever it is, you're seeing them being definitely outside of their comfort zone. So what I'm getting is that for some of you, this person is going to be around all new people. Like they're going to be around people that they don't know, or people that you know and that you want around them to get to, so that they can get comfortable with the people you're around, if that makes sense. So you could be inviting this person to meet family. You could be inviting this person to meet your friends. You could be connecting this person with your friends and family. You could be inviting this person to travel with you. You could be taking them to your home, or they could be, you could be, I'm getting that is you doing this with them, Taurus. You guys could be inviting this. Like I said, it could be a long distance thing. This person may live like across the country. You could be asking them to come and see you, to visit you, that kind of thing. Something is just new for this person, Taurus. Like they've never seen something before that you're bringing to them, or they've never been a certain place before that you guys are traveling to on a vacation or your date or something like that. Whatever is going on, this person is going to, in your eyes, it seems like they're not fitting in. It seems like to you, it looks like this person's having a hard time fitting into a new environment, or to a new lifestyle, or to a new idea of you guys being together, or something like that. So this person may have some type of uncertainty about their sense of belonging around certain things or doing certain things. But I feel like you are wanting to encourage them to be true to who they are at the core, and just stand on their values, even while they're going through some type of situation that is not something that they know, right? It could even just be you coming in, Taurus. It could be that you're just this new person for them, and the way you see them is that, like, that this is a totally new territory that this person's stepping into by choosing to, connect with you. And so this person may be going through a time where they're just trying to understand everything that's going on right now. All right. Because this connection is moving forward. You guys are moving forward together. And with this comes a lot of newness for this person, right? Now, your person and how they see you. This is someone who feels like, they see you, Taurus, feeling like you're right at home. You're right where you belong when you're with them. You're right where you belong when you're connecting with them, when you're talking to them, or when you are dating them, or when you're with them and physically, or when you're in the bed with them, or when, what I'm getting, for some strange reason, Taurus, I'm getting like someone inserting themselves into a woman, like, you know what I mean, in a sexual way, and someone feeling like this is exactly where I'm supposed to be. Like, as soon as it happens, it's like, oh, this is really living, like, this is it. This is where I belong. I don't know what I was thinking about in the past. This is exactly where I want to be. So this is an energy of, like, you, Taurus, feeling like this is authentic to you. This person feels like home to you. You feel absolutely safe and secure in their love. You feel really free to be yourself. You feel like this person to you is like a place where you can rest, and you can create your best life, your best work. You can be the most creative with this person. You can really relax with this person. This is a place that you really can call yours. All right. And this is like a metaphor. Like, they can be the place, right? The person themselves can be the place that is yours. You claim them. You possess ownership of this person, especially if you're a Taurus male, because you guys can be very possessive, but like, this person is yours. They belong to you. Especially, I feel like when you finally get the opportunity to have with this person in this kind of way, you're going to know instantly that this is yours, that this is your perfect body, right? This is the person you're supposed to be, having a family with, making love to, being laid up with, spending time with, loving on. Like, it's just like an instant thing. So it is interesting, the dynamic between the two of you. Like, your person may feel like they're at they're in an orphanage, right? Like an unfamiliar territory, wondering if they're going to be fully accepted by the people in your life. Like, they probably think, well, is the family and friends of the Taurus, the kids of the Taurus, really going to accept me? Are they really going to love me for me? Are they really going to like me for me? That kind of thing. This person could be thinking about things like that, Taurus. But meanwhile, you don't care. You're not thinking about anything like, well, you are, because you're very considerate of them. But for you, the way you feel with this, you're like, this is exactly where you're supposed to be. This is exactly where you're supposed to be. I feel great. This is everything I ever wanted, that type of thing. So this is really amazing, the energy that's coming through between you and this person. So I hope that this helps. Thank you guys, and God bless.